circular of 2007. Very subject, my lord, if my lord see, the very subject says Bihar Lok Seva Ayog और सो एंड सो बिहार कर्मचारी चयन आयोग द्वारा प्रतियोगिता परीक्षाओं का. So this is, my lord, with respect is applicable with respect to all the competitive exams conducted by Bihar Public Service Commission or Bihar Staff Selection for the purpose of selection and appointment on different posts. So, my lords, and this was in 2007. So, therefore, my lord, in my respectful submission, even if it was not referred to or mentioned in the advertisement.
What is the date of advertisement?
Lords,
In that case, it should not have been mentioned in the advertisement
6 to,
itself.
my lord, 6
That
to
From the men's
2020.
examination, this
6
percentage
to
will be taken.
2020.
And
It
it's
was
publication of
specifically
advertisement.
stated in the advertisement itself.
and secondly, my lords,
Sir, what is the date of advertisement?
6
February
6 February 2020.
6 February 2020.
Yeah.
Where have we indicated that 2007 guidelines or rule is would be applicable in the advertisement?
Lords, that is not clearly mentioned in the advertisement.
Then the principle is that once the recruitment has commenced, you can't introduce new eligibility criteria.
No, my lords, with respect
It is
to my
called game changer.
my lords, respectful submission is that this circular is of 2007 prior thereto.
All right, I do understand, but
Yeah.
is it not your duty to inform to each of the candidate who has appeared for the
So,
examination?
my lords, it was published in the Gazette, and when
Show me, it was published in respect of 6 to 2000 is concerned.
pardon,
Show me in respect of advertisement 6 to 2000, what are the rules are going to follow?
lords, the rule says that this preliminary examination is for the purpose of is a screening, will be a screening exam for the purpose to select eligible candidates for the purpose of main exam.
Sir, now question is whether 6, 7, 2000 is applicable to the present advertisement or not.
Yeah,
Show me from any of the document that you have indicated to the prospective candidate that this will be followed.
lords,
As on the date of advertisement,
No.
not subsequent.
no, I am not talking of subsequent. What I am respectful submission, that when the rule is already there, it's a rule.
Sir,
my lords,
you can't keep the rule under your table and say that it has been informed to the candidates.
lords, the rule
You
was.
must disclose to the candidates.
So when it was published in the Gazette way back in 2007 itself, lords, it is presumed that the public candidate had the knowledge.
You can't.
This-
Lords, say
this-
Your advertisement must show what are the criteria you are going to follow.
no. Lords, when the recruitment rule says that I have to commission is to select the best
That
candidates.
is all right, sir. Which are the rules you are going to follow?
And secondly, my lords, one thing more, my lords will appreciate that here it is as per the rules 10 times. As per the rule, 10 times, my
Yes.
lord, is to be selected.
Should have been 5500.
Yeah. So now, admittedly, the candidates who have been selected are better candidates than these petitioners.
That it is only screening time.
So even, my lords, in the
even
screening.
out of 5500.
No, even
3900 and 5500 does not
Yeah,
matter.
so my lords, even in the screening, those who have been selected are better than these petitioners
That-
Mr. Advocate General,
because they had secured, my lords,
in
even
that-
the
in
cutoff
that-
mark.
In that case, if by that 30, it should have been brought down to 2500.
Mr. Advocate General,
Ji.
there is a judicial pronouncement whether game changer could be taken place or not. In that regard, you find out a latest apex court decision
Ji.
that even after commencement of advertisement, commencement of recruitment, you can change the method of recruitment. There is a judgment. You please find out. 3 judges decision is there.
My lords, I
If you
will.
satisfy on that point, we
Oh.
are going to issue notice. Otherwise, we will not.
My lords, I will
Please take
find.
down.
I will find it.
One of the issue involved in the present petition is whether Bihar Public Service Commission could introduce new criteria after advertisement was issued. Full stop. New criteria maybe is of the year, maybe is of the new criteria which was introduced prior to advertisement. At the same time, candidates have not been informed that certain criteria which were in vogue prior to advertisement would be applicable.
We are not concerned with that. We are concerned with the whether 2007 policy is applicable or
Full stop. Further, it is to be noted that 2007 policy for the purpose of carrying out recruitment would be applicable to the main examination to be held. Therefore, one has to draw inference that 2007 criteria would not be applicable to preliminary examination. Full stop. The BPSC have taken contention during the process of recruitment that 2007 policy / criteria could be applicable to even for preliminary examination. In this regard, Advocate General is hereby directed to in this regard, Learned Advocate General is hereby directed, he would intends to cite a judicial pronouncement in respect of game changer principle is applicable in the present case or not. This matter next week.
Lords. Yes, Lord. Next.
Under the heading for orders on petition serial number 3.
The BPSC Standing Council. There were two decisions of the appeals court. There was some overlapping. Therefore, matter has been referred to full bench, three judges. To find out three judges decision is there.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
I don't know the result, but matter was referred to three judges.
Okay. I'll find out whether they are pronounced or not.